Welcome to the Southern and Sovereign Pest Control Online Payment System Demonstration Video Series. This is demo number 4. In this demo, we will cover the following topics. Number 1, we will show you how to view your account balance and current amount due in the bill payment system. We will also show you how to view your service and payment history in the system. You will also see how to make a payment on your account via your credit or debit card. We'll also show you the process for paying multiple services on your account. We will then show you how you can receive your statements via email. First thing we're going to do is we are going to log into the system via one of our websites, either www.southernpestcontrol.com/payments or www.sovereignpestcontrol.com/payments. So we're going to click on the link here to the Southern Pest Control website. Okay, and here we are on the bill payment page. And you'll see we've got a button here to log in to the system. So I'll click that button now. And here we are on the login page. Now, if you recall from a previous demo, in order to log into the system, you use your email address that is set up in our online accounting system. Then you enter the password that you created when you initially set up your login, and then you enter the state of the property. Okay, so now we've logged into the system, and you can see here we've got 2 accounts set up with this login. One is account number VA469. The address is 700 Barnbrook Road. There's a balance of $2.65 on the account. The second is account number VA28641 on 456 Atlantic Avenue with a balance of $6 on the account. So we're going to click on the account number VA28641 to show how you can see the account balance, which is this field here next to balance. You can see a field here for current amount due, which is 0. So many of our customers set up their payment plans in equal monthly installments. And the installment payments are due every 30 days. So here, at present, there is no current amount due, so the amount is 0. In order to see the service history, we have a button here called Service History. And to view the service history, you simply click on the Service History button, and the service history will come up. As you can see here, it was set up on May 29th. We did 2 services. One is called termite treatment, Target Pest Termites. The other is the fire ant service, fire ants. And you can see it gives the dollar amount of each service here. One was for $10 and one was for $2. If you wish to see the payment history on the account, you simply click on the button labeled Payment History. And then each payment that has been made on the account appears on the list. As you can see here, there have been 3 payments made. All of them were made on May 30th, 2013, and each one was in the amount of $2. Okay, if we wanted to make another payment on this account, it's very simple. As you can see here, there is a field labeled Payment Amount. And right now, there was a $2 payment, but we're going to zero it out, so it's blank. But let's say you wanted to pay $3 on this account. You simply fill in the amount you want to pay in the payment amount field here, and then click on the Make a Payment button. It will ask you to verify that the information is correct. Okay, you'll then be taken to this screen where you can enter your credit card information. Here you see a field for credit card number. You see columns for expiration date, month, and year. You then see the credit card name. Then it asks you for the security code. And if you click here, it'll show you for the different types of cards where the security code is located, and you would need to fill in that number. You'll then need to enter the security code that is generated by our system. This is required for, in order to process the card, and it enhances our system security. So we're not going to actually fill in, credit card information, but I'm just going to put in some numbers here just so we can get an idea as far as the simulation. Put in an expiration date, and we'll put in a name and a security code, and then again, you would enter the code that's listed here, and it is case sensitive. And then you would hit Pay Now. Now, when the Pay Now field is pressed, or button is pressed, the credit card information is processed, and the customer will either receive an approval via email, or the card, they will receive a notice saying that the card has been declined. When that happens, they are then taken back to this account screen here, and they'll see their account information. Now, if the card had actually been processed, the balance would have changed from $6 to $3. And then the payments would have been reflected in their payment history. And again, the customer would receive an email confirming with a confirmation number for the payment. I want to show you one more feature and we have it set up here in the other account on this login, VA28469. And you see here there's a message here that says, you currently have multiple open invoices. Please click here to select which invoices to pay. Now, this is a customer who has had one or two or more services done by Southern or Sovereign Pest Control, and they still owe balances on each of the services. So you see here there's a button that says Select Invoices to Pay. So we're going to click on that button now. And you see here, then we see a list of the invoices that currently have remaining amounts due. You can see there's an invoice from May 16th that was for $4 originally. There was still $1.50 due on the invoice. Another one on May 16th that was for $1.60 that has a remaining balance of $3. One on May 21st for $3 that has a remaining balance of $2.10. Now, the customer has the option to select one or more of these to pay. And simply what they would do here in this select column here, they would select which one they wanted to pay. So let's say we're going to pay part of the first two. So they click here and hit OK. Now you can see these two invoices are listed here along with their amount, the original amounts, and the remaining balances. And this amounts will apply. The customer simply will fill in the amounts they want to pay. So let's say they want to pay $1 on the first invoice and 30 cents on the second invoice. You can see here automatically the payment amount field is filled in with the total of the two payment amounts. And then simply, if they want to move on and make a credit card payment, they hit the Make Payment button. They'll be asked to verify the information. Hit OK. And then they're taken to the credit card payment screen, where again they'd be asked to enter the credit card number, expiration date, credit card name, security code, and the internal system security code. If the customer wants to receive their payments via email, or excuse me, their statements via email each month, they simply click on this button, and instead of receiving a paper statement from Southern Pest Control, they'll just receive an email every month with their statement information. And the email will look almost identical to this screen here. It'll contain their account number, first name, last name, address, balance, and current amount due, along with the link to our online payment portal system so that they can log in to make a payment. So going back to our presentation, let's review what we've accomplished with this video. We've learned how to log in to see the current balance and current amount due. We've seen how to view the service and payment history. We've also seen how to make a credit card and debit card payment. We've gone over paying for multiple services, and we've also shown how our customers can receive their statements via email. We want to thank everybody for watching, and please remember, if you have any questions about our online bill payment service, you can contact our customer service department at 1-800-394-4737. Again, thank you for